And tonight we have
And then you hold here. Remember you did it by yourself yesterday in the car?
because
Because
people don't like when I do that.
yeah.
We're going to get the biometrics done today, so Nitro and Shanta can get their visas to go to Australia. Let's go, buddy!
Hello po. Uy, vlogger daw. Punta muna tayo ng Watsons. Ay! Punta muna tayo ng Watsons kasi bibili tayo ng antihistamine. Kasi may mga allergies kami. Come on, Nacho. Adto to the pharmacy. I need punta na tayo ng biometrics. Sleepy. You're crying. Done na. Let's go. It's a skydiving hotel. It's so high.
It's bigger than anything.
Tapos na. You say tapos na.
Tapos na.
Nahirapan po kami sa photo ni Nitro kasi hindi siya tumitingin sa camera, tapos minsan nakaganon. Pero tapos na, yehey! Nasubmit na yung biometrics namin sa agency. Sa agency ba? Hindi sa agency, sa embassy.
Hindi embassy yun.
Oh, saan ba?
Biometrics Collection Center.
Mali pala yung info ko. Biometrics Collection Center. Hindi, sabi ko na-submit na sa embassy. Hindi ba?
Okay.
Tama, di ba? O, tama pala yung info ko. Ito, sinisira mo yung vlog ko, charot. Pupunta na tayo sa mall. Magmumulang bata. Dito sa Manila. Tara. Pero nahiya ako mag-vlog sa mall. Daming tao.
I've been there before. Dunkin' Donuts.
Nitro loves donuts.
That building there.
Yeah. What?
Why are they building McDo
They're building McDo.
on top of that?
That's not McDo. Can you say Macca's?
Knuckles.
You're Australian. Oh. It's a big building. Tagantay po tayo ng Grab kasi pupunta tayo ng Shangri-La. Kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakapunta ng Shangri-La Mall. Dati everyday ako nandun.
Who's coming?
In the car.
3 minutes away.
Nacho, let's go, Nacho.
Let's go, Nitro.
Diyan tayo nag-biometrics.
does it say this?
Oh, because 7 divided by 9 is not even 1. It's less than 1. Yeah, because you're trying to fit 7 into 9. It's not going to work. You're gonna, divided means you're gonna chop the 7 up into 9 different pieces.
Look.
7 divided by 9 divided by 6. Oh. 17, oh, that's a lot of numbers. You know, if you do this, you can even make a bigger number. Now go and make a long number. The biggest number in the world. Go.
Natin yung hinihiram yung cellphone namin kasi
Look, I'm pressing so many lines.
Yeah.
It's even freeze.
Yeah,
mahilig siya
that's
sa
the highest number.
calculator.
I can hide in that.
Ganun siya mag-accountant. Mahilig sa calculator. Nitro, what do you wanna be when you grow up?
YouTuber
YouTuber.
or actor.
Or an actor. Oh, Daddy wanted to be an actor too. And then Daddy became a YouTuber.
Look at it.
A host. Whoa, yeah, the E means arrow.
He said, bro.
Daddy,
It's in Paranaque. Huh?
Daddy, can you when we're home? Can you verify me a voice chat?
Alright, we'll have a look at it. We'll see if it works.
That was our nakatira dati. Nitro, this used to be our house. And you went, and you went to the clinic over there. Oray pa ko pa kunin dito.
all new here.
Yun yung entrance, di ba? Bago po yung entrance na to. Nung dito kami nakatira, wala to. Wala tong tiles na to. Dito na po tayo sa Shangri-La Mall. Dati everyday ako dito. Saan tayo? Bababa tayo or dito akyat? Nakaganon yung double chin ko nakikita. Ay, oo. Ay, hindi ko makukuha yung card ko. Ayan, so, dati, parati kami dito, everyday, kasi dito kami nakatira. Yan yung
It's good.
parating may ano dyan sa food court. My favorite din ako
The
dyan.
years we'll be here for 2017, 2018, 2020. 4 years.
Oh,
we lived
4
here.
years kami nakatira dito sa Shangri-La. Diba? Mga social. Social. Charot.
I lived here for about 1 year before we got married. So I
Oo.
was here for
Kayo
5
nila.
years.
Oo.
Wow.
Ikaw 5 years. Maganda talaga dito kasi nakaka-relax.
It's enormous. Look up. Getting old, man. Now we got a big escalator.
I don't like this.
You don't like it? Really?
You used to live here.
It's good. I'll show you the
Nitro.
Lego store.
And Kidzuna, di ba? Nitro.
Oh, you remember this place? Yeah. We came here
Oh,
last year,
n-
didn't we?
Because I see that.
Yeah, yeah. You came here with Hallie last year. Hey, Auntie
Yeah.
Hallie.
Ayo, aman to. Nitro, do you want that?
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. You
Bus
can,
is pretty
it's
cool
the one you
too.
can ride.
You can ride
That's
on
the
it.
luggage you can ride.
Hello.
Remember that?
Only
You've seen that.
35,000 pesos.
Oh my.
So cheap.
Can I have it?
Huh?
Can you buy it?
That's too expensive.
The air wheel, it's too expensive.
Oh, look, it's a continue straight ahead.
Yeah.
It's a big continue.
Nobody's there because it's school time. You can have it all by yourself. All for yourself.
So the Lego shop.
Namiss ko ang amoy ng Shangri-La. Ang bango. Ang mabango amoy mayaman. Tapos ano, maganda yung temperature. Maganda yung pagkalamig niya. Hindi masyadong malamig. Tapos, hindi mainit, of course, kasi malamig nga. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Lego store kasi papakita ni Dwayne kay Nitro yung Legos. Kanina nakita namin yung air wheel, yung luggage na pwede kang sumakay. Sabi ni Nitro, can I have that? Mahal, 35,000 ang mahal. Wag na. Miss ko yung mga kainan dito. Sorry, may ano.
It was good living here, wasn't it?
Yes. Namimiss ko. Tapos parati kaming kumakain, nag-i-eat out. Parati nag-i-eat out, di ba?
Yeah. Brilliant.
There it is. You found it.
How many years did it take?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's all.
Nitro, look. Remember you said you wanted to buy a Lego something? Nitro, can you stand there so I can take a photo of you? Over there. Okay. Wait.
It's a
Oh, it's a creeper.
No. Wait, come to me.
Oh, it's...
I have this.
Halaka.
This one, Home Alone. It's
Oh,
a
it's Home Alone.
circus game, yeah.
How about this one or this one? You
Or
can
which one?
only choose one.
Which one? This
Uh,
one or the plane?
I want this one. This.
You want the house, do you?
Oh my gosh, it's 17,000 pesos.
Almost 18,000.
Oh my gosh, that's so expensive.
Please, Daddy. Please.
Well, I mean, look, let's keep looking. There's lots of other Legos here. It says this way and...
Look, it's Baby Yoda.
Oh.
Be careful.
Pretty cool, huh?
Daddy had lots of these, Nitro. Oh, that's one piece.
Oh yeah, it's one piece, Nacho. Look, it's Monkey D. Luffy. Do you see him? Don't forget. See? Monkey D. Luffy. See him? And Zoro is next to
Can
him.
we have that? It only costs
21,000. Yeah. It's a Fortnite one, Nacho. It's a Fortnite one.
I want this small one. These.
Small one?
Yeah.
Is this a Windmill Village hut? Yeah, Windmill Village hut. Pretty cool.
I have it.
Yeah, well, how about for your birthday? I'll buy you some Lego, eh? I'll buy you lots of Lego. You like? Hey, get rid of that. What does it say? Can you read it?
No, because of this.
Oh, here, we'll get rid of this. Can you read it now?
No.
So can I read
Move
it?
back, move back.
And I'll fix it then.
And then move back.
You need the square. Like these. Oh. Like this.
He still can read it.
What's that?
Makuri malagyapon.
Yeah.
It's Nitro.
Here's Nitro.
Look,
Nitro.
move back. My wicked. 1.7 lang. Gusto niya to. Oh, that's nice. I like it. The shower.
Can I buy
It's a
it?
Dragons Lego.
Oh, bagay
Cool.
sa'yo. Hindi nabilhan si Nitro ng Lego kasi sa birthday pa, sabi ni Dwayne. Mga mahal kasi yung gusto niya. Kakain na tayo. What's he saying? What are you saying, Nitro? What, you want the spider? Where do you want the spider?
So I can build it.
And where will you put it after you build it?
On top of the shelf.
Which shelf? You've got lots of toys on the top of the shelves.
My head.
Next time when we have space.
Coffee bean. Or you get somewhere else? Try somewhere else?
Somewhere else.
Okay.
Kung Lego si Nitro, si Dwayne.
Games.
Board games.
Huh?
When we have this.
This.
Yeah.
It's like a puzzle.
I have to solve it so that all the cogs spin.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it? This one's wrong. This one's
No, you can
spinning.
make this.
Oh, you can make it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Cool.
Daddy, can I
Monkey
have this?
Palace.
Can I have this one?
Right, this one.
I can have that one.
Yeah,
Today.
board game.
You want today, but it's not your birthday yet.
Daddy, can I have this one? Can I have this one?
What's that one?
Look, it's Squid Game.
It's not
game.
Oh,
That's not
Corridor. What do you do? The aim is to reach the other end first. The problem is that your opponent puts up fences to slow you down. Who will find the shortest route? Okay. One board, 20 wooden fences, 4 wooden pawns, 1 cloth bag. The rules of the game. Alright, how many for 8 years old and above? 2 to 4 players. So we could play this game. Do you want to buy it?
yeah.
Alright, we can try this game. Here you go. 2 to 4 players.
Clear.
Oh, my board game ni Nitro. Board game si Nitro.
What's this?
Of course.
What are they?
Cards.
Yeah, these cards. Yeah.
Daddy, can we?
Oh, Nitro, my board game ka na. Did you buy it? Did you buy it, Nitro? Oh, wow, so sharp. Nitro, thank you. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Uy, may board game na siya. Sa shop. Nakakamiss. Nakakamiss yung mall na to. Parati kaming nanonood ng movies dito pag late na. Kasi nasa baba lang kami nakatira. Magja-Japanese tayo. Samosam.
Next to me?
Masapit ako mo. Where do you wanna sit, Nitro? Oh, sige, dito na lang ako. Ano ba? Hey, Japanese. Gusto kong Japanese. What do you wanna eat, Nitro? Sushi?
Bell.
Maki?
Bell.
Huh?
This one.
No, you're not gonna eat that. Pipili po muna ako.
There's even a block.
What did you tell
There's-
Daddy?
There is a block. So if you go there, it's trapped. So you have to go all the way back over here.
And then
have
you-
to go back over here. So if there's a one like this, but there's no exit there, it's unfair. So you have to make
Yung in-order ko po, ano, uni crab. Tama ba? Uni crab cheese na fried. Oh, yum. Tapos si Nitro, magmamaki siya. Si Dwayne, mag-gyudon na siya. Wala pa yun. Mamaya.
Square.
So, ito po yung binili niyang board game. So, ito yung instruction. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Pero naglalaro na si Nitro. Kung ano nung ginagawa niya.
Robbie, so easy.
Is it?
Yes. Why is there not many blocks? Wait, wait,
Alright, well, let's play in this right. I'll show you how to play. Ready? Let's see how we do it, okay? So, you get 10 balls, and I get 10 balls. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
I thought
10.
I had to
And I get...
build it.
No, well, you can do that too. Like that, yeah. Okay. Alright, my turn. I'm going to move here. You got your turn.
I'll move
Just there? To that one? Okay. Daddy's turn. Daddy's going to move here. Your turn, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna move.
Oh, no, you're blocking me off. Alright, so hang on. I'm here and you block me off. Alright, so my turn. I'm going to move here. Your turn. What are you going to do? Me. Boom, like that. Alright, your turn.
So I'm gonna go
Oh, I got trapped.
Okay.
Alright, now, I don't think I can get out. I think that's how you win. You trap him. See, I can't get out now, so you won the game. Because you trapped me.
Okay, now I can...
Bato, pick. I win. Okay, I'm going first. I'm moving one space. Alright, your turn. What are you doing?
I will go and protect myself.
Protect yourself. You're going to block yourself. You're supposed to try and get to the end.
Oh.
That's just going to hurt you, not help you. So you should...
Because look,
What?
is it allowed to trap the spot where you have to,
No, you have to have a path to the end. So
okay.
put your pawn back. Yeah, you should put this somewhere else. Don't block yourself. This one, what are you doing?
Nandito na yung miso soup po.
Put it
Tapos
there.
yung gyudon ni
Oh, okay, yep. You can put it there like that if you want. Yeah.
Yay! Thank you.
Alright, next time.
Up.
Daddy's
Salamat.
gonna put it
That's
here like
Nitro's food.
that. Huh?
That's Nitro's food. This
Yeah.
one.
So you're going there?
Oh,
Alright,
yum.
Daddy's gonna
Nitro, it's
put-
your food. No, this one. No,
Oh,
miso
yours
soup
is
is
not
mine. Do you want miso soup? Do you want my miso soup? Do you want my miso soup?
You're just going to have to... You're there. That's it.
Over here.
Alright. Daddy is going to go there.
I'm gonna go over
It's getting different now, alright. Daddy's going to go there. That's it.
Maras na ako miso soup. So yummy.
Oh.
Can you help me?
Let's eat.
Please don't like and subscribe to this video.
Okay, good boy. 16 and 19. Very good. And
Nag-free taste kami ng ng Auntie Annie's. Tapos, nagpabili si Nitro. Kaya nandito kami
Nitro, do you want to ride the train?
Where?
There's a train in Manila. We should ride it.
I
Ride
want
it?
to ride it.
Yeah?
Mommy, we
It's a big train. No, mommy, come with us.
Hindi daw ako sasama sa MRT. Sila lang daw dalawa.
I'll give my food.
So,
Oh,
antay
you go
namin
if you
yung
go first.
pretzels ni Nitro. Tapos, pupunta kami ng immigration.
Immigration.
Oh, mag-immigration kami kasi si Dwayne. Exit clearance. Tama ba?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Why is he eating?
Yan, dumating na yung Auntie
Stop it,
Annie's na.
board game. Stop board game.
Oh, yum. Cream cheese. It's hot. It's not hot anymore?
No, the bites are not hot.
What is Daddy doing? What are you doing?
Making a maze.
Just making a maze.
Yeah.
You don't have enough food. Hindi na ako kakain kasi busog pa ako sa ano. Sa... ano ba yung binili ko kanina? Yung crab na maki. Sila na muna.
Crab Mackie, you know.
Masarap yun. Super yummy. Worth it. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalo. Sabi ni Gwen.
Alright,
My
my
turn.
turn. Oh,
What? My
yeah,
turn.
I can move this one yet. I'm going there. Go.
May sound effect.
Kick your ass. I win. Ready win.
Ano?
No, you have to
It's
go
like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces.
No, you have to go back to the dito,
Oh.
di ba?
I don't think so.
Really?
You just get to the other end. Either way. Panalo si
Nanalo si Deng.
Wait, more space.
Natala. Ay, wait. Ang mulagyapo, ngayon lang.
Ready win.
Chess na lang, chess. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kids Zone na. Nandun si Deng. Tapos, ngayon lang, nakuha na namin yung visa namin. Na-approve na yung visa namin. Akala ko hindi ma-approve yung visa ko. Pero yan, may visa na ko. Dito na kami ng Australia. Naantok na ako. Tapos na sila mag-kids zone na. That's my got the visa.
We got the visa.
We got the visa. Tapos na. Let's go back to the...
hotel. So I can crumbs in the hotel.
What?